my viewers, welcome back to Kesariya Textile Company and Himantika this side. In this today's video, I'll be showing you 6 different designs of boutique collections which is going to be in 3-piece concept, which means kurti, pant and dupatta set, and there will be 6 different designs. Simultaneously, I will be showing you the color combinations also, so please stay till the end and don't skip in a middle way. Let's get started with our very first collections, and before moving towards the collection, I would like to know you one thing, that all of the collections which you watch in this video is going to be under 1000 rupees. Yes, my friend, you have heard it right, and especially the boutique owners who are watching this video, I am giving you a surety that the collections you were purchasing before, no matter from which company, from which firm or from which manufacturers you were dealing with, but this company, Kesariya Textile Company, is going to change your whole process of sales and margins too. So, let's get started with our very first collection, and all of these collections I have wear it personally. The video is already playing on the side of my video, so please watch it out about finishing and fitting. And let me know you one thing, that all of the collection is going to provided with catalog photos. So yeah, very first collection, you can see very pretty muslin fabric you will be having in this, and also the neck is fully embroidered with sequence touch, and not only the neck but also the sleeves you are watching. You can see very heavy work you will be having in it. And before that, please do let me know in the comment sections that and how much cost you were spending to purchase all these type of collections. And moving toward its bottom part, you can see pant style bottom you will be having in it, and that too with tone to tone color combinations. Sizes are going to be in XL, and you can see the bottom, it is already embroidered with very pretty sequence touch in that too. And dupatta is going to be stall style dupatta. The length is going to be 2 or 2.5 meter length, and there will be no compromises regarding the length or as well as about the quality. So there are 4 different color combinations available in this set. One of them I have already shown you. The second one is going to be in navy blue color combination. The third one is going to be in bottle green color combination, and the fourth one is going to be in white color combination. And all of the collections in this particular set is going to be in different designing. So the second design, again with very pretty color combination. And before moving towards the collection, I would like to repeat one thing again, that video of mine wearing this particular collection is already playing in the side of the screen, so please have a look at it and you can get the clear idea about the look and the fit. So you can see again muslin fabric you will be having in this, and that too with the foil print, and foil print is done so premiumly. You can see if I would scratch it, it is not going to be vanished. The neck, you can see real mirror work you will be having on its neck. The sleeves are going to be as it is you are watching on the screen. The designs and pattern is beautifully done. Contrast thread work you will be having in it. The bottom section, you can see contrast color combination, plain bottom you will be having in this. The dupatta part is going to be very beautiful and very lightweight fabric, chiffon fabric you will be having in its dupatta. You can see again tone to tone color combination in dupatta, and this particular set holds 2 different color combinations. First, 2 different color combinations, one of them I have already shown you. The second one is going to be in lavender color combination. Another one we have in the fabric of Roman silk color combination is as it is navy blue color combination. The neck, you can see khatli work is done on its neck, and sleeves have 2 very pretty linings, silver linings you will be having in its sleeves, and each and every kurti is embroidered very perfectly, and also you will be having this type of inner pattern inside it, so there is no chance of transparency or see-through of the fabric. So the bottom part is going to be tone to tone color combination of its kurti, and well, if I talk about its dupatta is going to be in digital print, and that too with very pretty borders. You can see the print, it is very eye catchy, very eye soothing, and I'll be showing you its color combinations too. The first one I have already shown you. The second one is going to be in this type of light shade of green color combination. The third one is going to be dark pink shade, same design and same pattern. Sizes are going to be in XL sizes, and the last but not the least, each and everyone's favorite color, yellow color combination. Third design, third set, we have combo set. So combo means each and every collection is going to be in same color, same design, same pattern, but you will be getting different sizes options, such as in this particular set you will be having ML XL to XXL sizes. And you can see very pretty color combination. The work done on its neck is very attractive. The bottom part is going to be in pant style, and that too with tone to tone color combination, and the bottom also has this type of stretchable elasticity on its west side. And dupatta is going to be in contrast color combination, such in green color combination. Dupatta is going to be in full length, 2.5 meters length. You can see very pretty color combination, and sizes are going to be, which I have already mentioned you. And if you have skipped any of the parts, so please do rewind it and watch through all of the collections. So up next we have another beautiful collections for our boutique owners. Especially you can see very beautiful silk fabric you will be having on it. The lace work, it is catching whole attention. You can see 3 layers of lace you will be having in this, and not only on the sleeves but also on the neck portion. You can see very beautifully done, and these are the collections which is mostly opted by most of the people nowadays. You can see the bottom section, again tone to tone color combination with 3 layers of lace in it too, and the dupatta is going to be in net fabric, and the work over it is very beautifully done, embroidered with sequence touch, cut work borders you will be having in it. And the look of this kurti is already playing on the side of the screen, so please check it out and don't skip in a middle way. This set holds 4 different color combination. One of them I have already shown you. The second one is going to be in very pretty color combination. Lace work is same as it is in each and every collection, which is going to be in white color. The third one is going to be in dark pink shade, and sizes are going to be XL sizes. The fourth and last but not the least one is going to be in purple wine color combination. So heading towards the last design of this particular video, and it is personally my favorite color combination. The look and fit is going to be very elegant, and you can see, wow, the color combination is so beautiful, and neck is fully embroidered with sequence touch, and not only the neck but also the lower portion, as you are already having on the screen as well. You can see very pretty heavy work you will be having, and inside it you will be also getting this type of attached inner, so there will be no any chance of see-through or transparency of the collections. Fabric is very thick, and the sleeves you can see very pretty color combination you will be having. The contrast thread work you will be having in it. It is not possible to give 100% justice to each and every collections, but we try our 100% best. But for that, if you have any confusion or doubt regarding the color combinations or any other work on the kurti related issues, so you can always ask for the PDF photos, and you can also get check it out. The bottom is going to be in tone to tone color combination, and same, well, the dupatta is going to be the same. And when you purchase this type of collection at the starting prices of $399, what happens is your sales totally change, your customer thought process totally change, and you will be able to notice that you are doing much sales as you were doing before. So this set contains 4 different color combinations. One of them I have already shown you. The second one is going to be in light purple shade. The third one is going to be in nude pink shade. And the fourth, last but not the least, is going to be in mustard yellow shade. These are the most trending color combinations which I have shown you in this video. And if you have skipped the initial portion, please do watch it out and check out with the whole collections which I have shown you in this video. Till then, I am Hemantika taking your leave. See you soon in the next video, but I will be waiting for you guys in the comment sections to note it down and let me know from which city, from which state you are watching this video from. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसर।